Hi, in this video, we introduce you how to install Meson Network app as a FlexiMining app on your hotspot. Meson Network is Web3 services, decentralized service, which is provide a pretty innovative way to provide a network bandwidth sharing to improve video streaming, to improve content delivery. So it's a pretty new technology to speed up the internet. Uh, as a Flex Mining app, normally you have to log into COTX Hotspot Cloud Service. This is the address cortex-sg.io, and you can create or check your wallet space in dashboard. Or of course, you can back to Hotspot tab and select the hotspot you already added into your wallet space, or you can add a hotspot into your wallet space. In this case, we already add a hotspot here, so we can choose Meson Network directly by clicking this link. And this link will automatically pop up this installation window, and you have to go through the terms, Cortex Flex Mining terms and Mason Networks terms, and click agree to the above terms. And now you're entering this page, and we already put the installation menu link here, so it's just to help you to quickly reference the instruction about how to install the Meson Network. You can click open it. So there were some requirements about prepare your installation Meson Network on your hotspot. The one is that you have to connect a external hard drive to your hotspot, and the disk format should be ext4. There were a bunch of tools and commands in different operating system. You can format a hard drive to a ext4 format, and you connected the hard drive to your hotspot, and make sure you have at least 100 GB usable capacity, not raw capacity, usable capacity from your hard drive. And of course, your hard drive better to have independent power source. Like you can use a powered USB hub, or you can use a SATA to USB converter, like this example. And this is the SATA to USB converter, and it do have its own power source. So that's the basic requirements you have to meet to start install Mason on your hotspot. Now you go back to this installation page, you can see that you need to provide a Mason token to Hotspot Cloud Service, so we know which uh, Mason app could be linked to the Mason network, and you can click this Mason network tab here to redirect you to Mason network website to finish the sign up uh, and get a token from Mason network. So you just click and redirect to the Meson Network sign up page here. You have to provide your information like email address and set up a password. Finish the verification process. Then you can log in the Meson Network portal. We already finished that process, so we can go to the portal, and in the nodes tab, you can find the token you've been assigned to your account. So you can just click the copy button and copy the token. Then you go back to Cortex installation page and paste the token here. That's it. That's the way you link node you install to the Mason network. Then you have to set up the disk capacity you want to share as a resource pool to Mason network. And based on Mason Network's recommendation, you better put 100 GB here. Just to put number 100 here. In this example, you can see that the hard drive you connected to the hotspot already being recognized, and this is the usable capacity, and this is the capacity already being used. But still, we just follow Mason's net requirements. We just put 100 here. Then all done, just click the install. But before you click the install to start install the Mason network on your hotspot, you better to set up the network port forwarding or port mapping on your Wi-Fi router. So here's the example to set up your Wi-Fi router before you click install button here. So you're using your web browser to open your local Wi-Fi router admin portal, and in the LAN setting here, you better set up the static IP address in your DHCP setting. So assign a static IP to your hotspot. We already done so. So you can see we already assign a static IP for the hotspot. And next, we're going to set up the port mapping. In the port management, or in the net setting, you find the IP address, assign TCP and UDP to the port number. Actually, it's the 1443. Let's skip the part. So the your local hotspot address, port number 1443. Your local hotspot address. So now if you check after setting, it's a local IP address, it's global, your public IP address, that's the port number, TCP IP and UDP. So that's the port mapping you have to set up on your Wi-Fi router. Once you finish that part, and you can go back to your COTX hotspot cloud service and finish the rest of the installation. Just click the install. And when the installation finished, it is running, and you can go back to Mason Network portal. You already sign up account. You can just log into that portal and check your reward. And that's all for Mason Network installation. Thank you.